Okay, so I'm just finished opening this box here. I don't know what's in here because I ordered so many things here. But it's from Geon, so I know what this is. So before I get to it, I actually had the Geon representative reach out to me, and his name's Nathan. So Nathan, thank you for reaching out to me. These videos are going to be down the queue until he gives me the okay to put them up on the channel, and it's going to be the same thing for with the application, water behavior, all that stuff. Once Nathan gives me the okay to release the videos, then I will go ahead and release them. So we're going to have some in the queue here for quite some time. So let me just take off the bubble wrap, and we've got coatings. I didn't know he was going to include the new Geon Can Coat EVO. These are their EVO coatings. So I didn't know he was going to include that. So here is Can Coat EVO, new packaging. Their packaging is always on point. It looks awesome. They give you the stickers in there, 3 spray heads. So again, pretty awesome. We'll open it here in a second. He included Geon Pure Q2 EVO. So we'll open this in a second, and this is just a paint coating with nothing else in there. And then here is the Geon Synchro Kit EVO, because I was telling them that you know, somebody had made a post on some ceramic coating Facebook group, and somebody had made a comment about how about Geon Synchro, because it was like 45% off on Car Supply Warehouse, and I was like, you know, I would just wait for the new stuff, because, and then he asked, like, a person asked why, and so then I said, well, you know, I didn't have luck with Geon Synchro lasting very long. You know, skin is awesome in the first version, but it just doesn't last long. So that was my comment on there. Then Nathan responded that the EVO stuff is going to be out in January, and that 45% is a good deal. If you're going to be topping your coating so often with like Geon Cure, the ceramic detailer, the first version of Synchro would have lasted a long time, no problem. So so then he ended up reaching me. I think he found me on my YouTube, through my YouTube channel, contacted me, sent me an email, and then he asked me if I would be willing to try out the new EVO coatings, and if I would be willing to provide feedback. And I said, okay, yeah, sure, not a problem. So he did send me the new stuff. So here's the new can coat. I think this is still the same amount of, yeah, 200 milliliters Q2 Can Coat EVO. It says outdoor friendly application. So all their new coatings are outdoor friendly application, but you still have to kind of let it cure on the inside. Here's Pure. I never used Pure. I was just turned off by the application, but again, outdoor friendly, water repellent, guards against elements, prevents UV damage, self-cleaning properties. So I got to figure out where I want to use this. So let me actually just pull so their new packaging is top notch. So they include their new applicator, which is suede on one side, microfiber on the other. And then here's the bottle. And this is a 50 ml bottle, so that's great of him to include 50 milliliters. I did tell him that my background is not a professional detailer. He was like, okay, cool. And so I'm going to be testing these out on personal vehicles coming soon. And then here's Geon Synchro. Again, their packaging is top notch. And again, you get the applicator. So they give you one applicator because this has the liner in there, so you can actually use one for Geon Mose, which is this guy here. So it's that's a 50 ml bottle, and I assume this is a 50 ml bottle of skin. So these have been reformulated to be I'll get more into it once the coating once we get to the application of each coating, but they've been reformulated. All their coatings are now 1-layer coatings. So Pure is a 1-layer coating. You can put a second layer if you want, but they're 1-layer coatings. Outdoor friendly, so you can apply them outside. I believe they set the Cure inside. I can't recall if that's still true. Synchro is now a two-part coating, I should say a two-layer coating. One layer Mohs, one layer skin, you're done. No more 3 layers or 2 layers of Mohs and 1 layer of skin. So it's going to be saving you some time. So that's the new lineup that I received from Nathan over at Geon, and it was drop shipped from their U.S. representative here in the States. So Nathan, thank you for reaching out to me. I look forward to trying these products out. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to so my dad's car has the Jade stuff. I'm going to polish it off, put the new Synchro stuff on there. I don't want to polish out my Grand Prix because I just put the I have the PNS Legends. It's only been 5 months, so I think I'm going to put this on my brother's. If he still wants to coat his, we'll put this on there. And I don't know what I'm going to do with can coat at the moment. I may do pure and can coat on my brother's car, just as a combination on there. Maybe I'll leave one spot just empty with just pure on there, and then we'll see how he maintains it. I think that might be the path going forward from it. So again, that's just kind of like the path going forward with these coatings. I wasn't expecting these to come in, that's why I wasn't going to do my dad's car, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and do that now, and just we'll let skin run Synchro when its course for a year. On my brother's car, we'll put pure. We'll see how long that lasts for him, and we'll put can coat on top of it, kind of combination coating there. So that's the plan going forward. Again, thanks for watching. Nathan, thank you for sending these out to me for testing, and I'll be sure to provide you some feedback. And again, I look forward to playing with these products.